Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are good. So today I'm going to do makeup, not makeup. Today I'm going to show you my makeup segment. What is in my makeup segment? So let's start it. So this is my makeup segment. It is full of makeups and all. So today I'm going to show you. So the first thing come is my lip balm, which is most important for my lips, and it is mostly used in winter. So I have two lip balms. One is Oriflame and one is Baby Lips, and I like this both. So the next one is the this pouch. It is dirty, but this pouch, I like it. I like the floppiness of it. So the next one is the Livon serum, which I used in my hair when I go outside of the house for shining my hair. I use this Livon serum. So the next is this band which I used for when I do makeup. Some hair comes out, so I use it. So the next product is this nail polish, which is also in my hand now. So I like this color, and it is from Volve. It is from Volve, so I like this color, and I like this product also. So now come to makeup. So this is the Mars BB cream primer base. So I use it when I go for a party and somewhere which I go, which is too important and all. So I use it. It gives a matte feel in my face, and so yeah, I like it also. Now comes the foundation of Blue Heaven. I use it for many days, and I like makeuping, so I use it. Because sometimes we can't give this. So for somewhere we go, means near of our house, so I use this product. It is too good. It does not have the matte feel. It gives the feel which you like. It is natural color. I like it. So the next product is Lakme 95cc cream. So this cream I give in my birthday, and I got it in my birthday, my 12th birthday. So this cream has the glittery feel like that, means if I give it in my cheeks, so it gives a shining feel like that. So this is. Now comes the lipsticks. Now I have two lipsticks. One is Oriflame and one is Huda Fill. So Huda lipsticks I like because this color is red only. This color is like the lips. It is from Oriflame. So this color, what I don't know. I don't know the color, but its color is also good. I can show you the color. So this is the color, like pinky and violet, means not violet, purple, like that middle one. So this is the two lipsticks I have in my makeup segment. So now I have showed you in my previous video that no makeup look. I have showed you that it is from Zoe. So I this is more voluminous than the mascara, all mascaras. It is too voluminous. I like this. I like this the most because when I doesn't give the eyeliners, I use it only. So it gives me volume in my eyes. So this. And the three things are left in my makeup segment. There are two eyeliners. My lipsticks are two, means all the things are two. So this is the pencil one, pencil eyeliner, and this one is the normal Blue Heaven eyeliner, waterproof it is. I like this because this is I don't like because this has the matte fill and it if when I give a stroke it go I don't like this. I like this. So this is the two eyeliners. And last is the kajal of Oriflame. I have showed you in my previous video that this is my Oriflame kajal. So this is the last product. So my makeup segment is completed, and this all are in my bags. So if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up to it and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please share to your friends, relatives and all. So thank you.